welcome to the YSE Cookery School's YouTube channel, where we help people from all different culinary levels to sharpen their skills in the kitchen and keep their cookery journey moving forward. So if you're looking to transform your skills in the kitchen, whether you're seeking a career in the kitchen or whether you're just interested in eating better food at home, then you've come to the right place. I'm Murray, and I've been working as a professional chef the last 25 years and teaching cookery for the last 10. I've had a hugely varied career in the kitchen, from formal kitchen brigades in hotels, restaurants and commercial catering, through to bespoke roles in private villas, yachts and freelance work. For me, the best aspect of the cookery world is the variation that's available to chefs. Cooking is a huge subject. However, at the YSE Cookery School, we feel that learning to cook shouldn't be complicated. So we've created this channel to help you progress a little more each week in the kitchen. We release weekly clips with general cooking information, tips and techniques to make learning to cook as straightforward as possible, and a monthly newsletter with our favourite seasonal recipe from the kitchen. If you've got any questions about anything you've seen on our channel or anything you'd like to see on our channel, then don't be shy, drop us a line and we'd be happy to hear from you. If you'd like to become a part of our online cooking community and start transforming your cooking today, then hit subscribe and join us for the journey. Thanks for watching. See you soon.